Hey there, Slingshot owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have our interior accent kits for the 2020 and up Polaris Slingshot. Now, as I'm sure you're aware, Polaris implemented a number of interior panel changes on the 2020 Model Slingshot. Things like a new dashboard, center console, steering wheel, gauges, as well as a couple other things. And if you've been following along with our channel, you may also know that we offer a number of interior accent kits from our friends over at Tufskinz. Well, now we're happy to introduce that we now offer a number of interior accent kits available for the 2020 and up Slingshot models. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, Tufskinz begins with a high quality substrate such as real carbon fiber. They're then coated with a UV resistant top coat that helps protect the kits from the elements and Mother Nature. And then they're backed with a 3M VHB backing tape for maximum adhesion. So today, we're going to be installing some of our more popular interior accent kits on our Shop 2020 Slingshot R to showcase just how easy it is to transform your Slingshot's interior. Now, the kits we're going to be installing are all going to be in our dome glossy carbon fiber option, but we also offer a raw carbon fiber finish as well as some color matched options to choose from, so you can match your Slingshot's paint color, bring in some little pops of color where you want it. Now, before we get started, the preparation of the interior panels is the most important part of the installation. It's imperative that your panels are all free from contaminants, debris, and oils prior to installation. You'll then want to thoroughly clean each applicable interior panel with an alcohol prep pad to prepare the surface area for adhesion. You'll also want to make sure that the surface temperature of the panels themselves are between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure maximum adhesion of the 3M backing tape. Then, once the surface areas have been prepped, you're ready to start installing. So start by first test fitting the piece you're about to install. Then peel back a small section of the protective backing tape. Line it up where you want it, and then press down firmly to adhere it in place, peeling back sections of the backing tape as you go. And there you have it, folks. We've now transformed our Slingshot interior into a carbon fiber masterpiece. Now, if any of these kits you've seen today are on your Slingshot mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the links in the description below to grab one or even all these kits for your Slingshot. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.